Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we're gonna be talking about party decor. Last weekend, I finally got the chance to get some video footage of DIYs for a birthday party that I did. I usually don't ever get a chance to do video footage, I'll be honest. I decorated a lot of birthday parties and baby showers, but I can't ever find the time to do that. So I'm super excited to share these two DIYs with you guys. For the first one, we're gonna be making a balloon arch. Originally, I thought this was actually called like a balloon garland, and when I Googled balloon garland, it didn't look anything like what I made. I know this balloon decor is like trending right now like crazy, and it looks like it's super hard to make, you guys, but it is so easy to make. I literally used some tape and a hole punch. For our second DIY that I'll be showing you, I made a custom birthday sign from dollar store foam board. So it is pretty budget friendly. This project is, however, more on the time consuming side, but it definitely pays off. I added some super cute glitter and I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. Okay then, let's get started.
Okay, for your balloon arch, you'll need a hole punch, some clear tape, some scissors, a balloon pump, some 11-inch in diameter balloons, as well as 5-inch balloons, confetti, and some adhesive dots. To begin, start by quadrupling your tape and making one thick strip. I like to work in 4-foot sections and then attach the tape together if needed. Make sure you measure where you'll be hanging your balloon arch so you know how long you need to make your tape strip. Once you have a thick piece of solid tape, start making holes using your hole punch. This was my first attempt and I made way too many holes. Eventually, I ended up doing half the amount of holes on the other pieces of tape. You will definitely need a balloon pump for this project because you'll need lots of balloons. These balloon pumps only cost a few dollars at any party decor store. I actually got this one at Walmart. Since we wanted to add confetti balloons to this arch, we bought some clear balloons. To add the confetti, I used a big funnel. I'll be honest, these gold confetti balloons were a bit of a fail because the confetti I used was a bit too heavy and didn't stick to the balloons on the inside. The black confetti I used was a lot thinner. I think it was a mixture of thin plastic and tissue paper, which made the confetti stick inside the balloon better, and it looked super cool. So tissue paper confetti works best, or anything lightweight. Okay, once you have all your balloons blown up, start by feeding the balloon knots through the holes you made in your tape. To build the overall shape of the balloon arch, I used the 11-inch balloons and stuck them through the tape holes. I did not stick any of the smaller balloons through the tape holes. Once I had a long balloon garland made up of my 11-inch balloons, I hung it up and started adding the smaller 5-inch balloons with the adhesive dots. So pretty much the small balloons worked as a filler for bald spots, and it added more contrast to the arch. And that's it! Okay, for your custom birthday sign, you'll need 2 to 3 pieces of dollar store foam board depending on how big you're gonna make your sign. I ended up using 2 foam boards, a ruler and pencil, some Mod Podge and glitter, an X-Acto knife, and your printed font. You can make this one of 2 ways. You can either print your letters out big, cut them out and trace them, or you can freehand. I chose to go with freehand, and that's what I'll be showing you today. To get your letters as even as possible, you'll need to mark the height and width for each letter. I marked my height at 12 inches and my width at 6 inches for each letter. Once you have your approximate measurements, start by sketching lightly the shape of each letter before filling them in with a solid line. I used my Happy Birthday printable for reference while sketching. Once all your letters are complete, use your X-Acto knife to cut each letter out. Believe it or not, it actually helps if you have a softer surface under your foam board while doing this. Don't worry about your letters having perfect edges. It will look a little rough around the edges, but we'll be covering them with glitter. Following that, use some paint to give it a base color. This is my favorite gold paint, by the way. I gave it a thin coat of paint, let it dry, and applied Mod Podge. And then, to finish it off, I sprinkled it with some glitter. And that's it!
And that's it for this mini series of party decor. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful in some way. If you liked it, don't forget to let me know down below in the comments. I would love to create more easy DIYs for parties. Also, if you're not a part of our Facebook group board, I'll add a link down below so you can join and share your awesome crafty DIYs and we can get inspired by your creativity. That's it for today, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.